Okay, hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we have discussed about the merge function of pandas. Okay, merge function basically used to merge more than one data set or more than one data frame in one data frame. Okay, if we have more than one data frame and we need to convert it in one data frame, so for this we use a merge function. Merge function provided by the pandas library, as you have see in my last tutorial. Now we will discuss in this video, we will discuss about the concat function. Concat function also used to combine more than one data frame into one data frame. Okay, so with the help of concat function in pandas, we will combine the series, data frame and panel object. As you can see here, pandas provide various facilities for the easily combine together series, data frame and panel objects. So how to use the concurrent function? For this, first we need to import the pandas library in our Jupyter notebook. So for this we write simply here import pandas spd and then run the program. After that, first we need to create a series. If we want to combine two series, first we need to create a series. Okay, so how to create a series? We can create a series with the help of dictionary method or with the help of list. Okay, so first we need to create, so how to create a list? Simply we write here pd dot series, pd dot series. So here we use the list, so we use the square bracket, and suppose we write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, now to print this series we need to assign this series, suppose name as s1. Okay, now call s1, simply run the program with the help of shift and enter. Okay, first our first series is created. Now again create another series because we need to combine more than one series. So copy this and paste here. Suppose second series named is s2, and we write here 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 0. Okay, this is series 2. So to call this series we write here s2 and run the program with the help of shift plus enter. Okay, you can see our second series is created. Now we need to combine two series. For this we use the concat function and call simply concat function with the help of pd or pandas. So right here pd dot concat function, pd dot concat. Okay, now to see the parameter of concat function, first we need to move our cursor in between the parentheses and enter shift plus tab button. Okay, again shift plus tab button, and you can see all the parameters used in concat function. As you can see here, obs, axis, join, ignore, and keys, labels, name, etc. Short. If you want to know more about these parameters, you need to scroll down, and as you can see here, the description of the obs, objects function, axis, join, ignore index, all. Okay, so you can see here object function is a sequence, is take a sequence or mapping of series or data frame object. If a map is passed, the sorted key will be used as a keys. Okay, so to combine our two series, first we need to pass the series name in the list. So here we write s1 comma simple s2 and then run the program. Okay, as you can see, both series are combined in one series. Our first series is 1 2 3 4 5 and second one is 6 7 8 9 and 0. So second series is concat in the below side of the first series. As you can see, 1 to 5 and 6 to 0. Okay, if we have different numbers in a series, suppose here we have only 4 items and suppose here 5 items. Now to combine both series, first we need to call this run the program, and then run this again. Now because in series 1 we have only 4 element and series 2 we have 5 element. Now combine two series s1 and s2. Simply we write here pd.concurrent function and pass in the list form s1 and s2 and simple run the program. Now our both series is concurrent again, there is no error. But when we use a data frame, when we create two data frame and combine or concatenate two data frame, and if two data frame had different size or different value, different values means different size. It means if one data frame has 4 value and second data frame has 6 value or more other than 4 value, then the run, and when we run the program, our program show the error. But in the form of series, it should not show any error, and you can see the output is very nice. Now after creating two series and concurrent two series s1 s2, now we create a data frame and try to combine or try to concat two data frame. First, for this, first we need to frame to create a data frame. Okay, we have so many method to create a data frame. You can see my video on this topic, how to create data frame. Here we use the dictionary method, or we have so many methods to create a data frame. Okay, but here we use only dictionary method. Okay, so we write to create a data frame, we write here simple pd dot data frame. Okay, and in the parenthesis, because we use here dictionary method, so we use the parenthesis curly braces. Okay, and the dictionary method take the key values and keys and values. So for the keys we use here simple, suppose first is serial number, so serial number in short SR, or we use the in the list in the square bracket serial number, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and after that we take series as a, suppose name or student name or employee name. We take only name, and name is suppose A comma B comma C and comma D. Okay, another key, suppose we take class of any class or class of a student, so we write here class as a key name, and the values of class are suppose 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. Okay, what data frame is created. Now assign our data frame is a variable name, suppose df1. Okay, now call the data frame, that is data df1. Simply we write here, to call this program we write here simple df1 and run the program. Okay, you can see here our data frame is created, serial number, name and class. Now we create another data frame because we need to concatenate more than one data frame. So simply copy this path and paste here. Now we change some keys values. So suppose we assign this new data frame name is df2, the variable name, and we change id, suppose 5 6 7 8, 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and name we change name as xyz, x comma y comma z and comma suppose p. Okay, and class is also changed, suppose 7 sorry, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. Now call this data frame 2. So df, we write simple df2 and then press shift plus enter to run the program. As you can see, our second data frame is created. Now one thing is noted here, that when we create a data frame, you need to if we assign here in the key values serial number 1 to 4, so all values are equal. If you assign suppose here 3 value and you mentioned here 4 value a, b, c and d, then our data frame show an error. Okay, so it is required to, when we create a data frame, it is required to we feel all values are equal. Okay, now we concatenate to data frame. Okay, to concatenate to data frame, simply we write here pd dot concat, and in the parentheses uh, we write here square bracket, because we use list, and pass here our root variables data frame name. First name is df1 and second name is df2. So now run the program with the help of shift plus enter. Now this shows an error because, as you can see, no attributes concat, because we write here spelling with mistake, because as you can see we write here e concat. Simply we need to concat concat function, and then again shift plus enter. Okay, you can see here our two data frame is concat, because our data frame d2 df2 is assigned in second place, so df2 is concatenated in the below side of the first. So 1 to a, b, c, d, the first data frame, and x, y, z and p in the name are in second data frame. As you can see, our two data frame is concatenate below side the concatenate second data frame on the first data frame. Okay, so with the help of concatenate function, we can concatenate two data frame, as you can see here. If we want to change the position of the data frame, that is, you can see here second data frame df2 is the concatenated below side of data frame 1. If we want to change the position of data frame as data frame 1 and data frame 2, simply we replace the values of data frame 2 here and data frame 1 here. Okay, and then run the program. Now you can see here our second data frame is the printed first or the upper side, and the data frame 1 concatenate in the below side of the first data frame, sorry, second data frame. As you can see, second data frame is xyzp and first data frame is abcd, because we interchange the position of data frame 1 and data frame 2. Okay, as you can see, the first data frame is concatenated below side, because this function concatenate function take the default value as x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means it concatenate row wise. Okay, if we need to concatenate in column wise, it means x is equal to 1. So for this x is equal to 1, we need to pass here x is equal to 1, because this concatenate function by default take the x is equal to 0, so no need to assign here x is equal to 0. But in case if we need to concatenate column wise, we need to assign here x is equal to 1. It means column wise concatenation. Okay, so we write simple here x is equal to 1. Okay, and then simply run the program. Okay, very beautiful. You can see here the concatenation is column wise. Okay, as you can see, the first column, first second data frame, and then first data frame column wise is arranged. Okay, so I hope it is clear all of you. If you have any type of query, please write in comment section, and it is, if you like this, please hit the like button and share among the friends. Thank you so much.